Hello, and welcome back to English Friends Chat. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. I am Emma.
And I'm Ryan. We are here to help you practice English.
If you like our videos, please click the subscribe button and like this video. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please. Today, we are going to talk about something very nice. That's right. Our topic is how to replace negative thoughts with positive ones.
We will learn how to feel happier by changing the words in our heads.
I think this is a very important topic, Emma. But first, how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you, Ryan. And you?
I'm great. The sun is shining and I feel happy.
Me too. Did you do anything nice this morning?
Yes, I did. I sat on my balcony and drank a cup of coffee. It was very quiet.
Oh, that sounds nice. I love quiet mornings.
It was lovely. I listened to the birds singing. It made me feel calm.
Calm? That is a nice word. Can you tell our friends what calm means?
Yes, calm means relaxed. You are not worried. You are not stressed. You feel peaceful inside, like a quiet lake.
That is a perfect explanation. So you felt calm this morning?
Yes, I felt calm. But sometimes I do not feel calm. Sometimes I worry.
We all worry sometimes, Ryan. That is normal. But today, we can learn how to help ourselves feel better.
I am ready to learn. Let's start the lesson.
So, Ryan, let's talk about thoughts. What is a negative thought?
A negative thought. I think a negative thought is a bad idea in your head. It is a thought that makes you feel sad or scared or angry.
Exactly. It is a thought that does not help you. It hurts you. Can you give us an example?
Yes. For example, when I try to speak French, I sometimes think, I am terrible at this, or I will never learn.
Oh, that is a very common negative thought. I will never learn. Many students feel this way.
Yes, and when I think that, I feel sad. I want to stop trying.
That is why negative thoughts are bad. They stop us from trying. So we need to replace them.
Replace? What does replace mean, Emma? Ah, I understand.
To replace means to take away one thing and put a new thing in its place.
Like if I have an old broken chair, I take it out and I put a new chair in the room. I replace the chair.
Yes, exactly like that. We want to take out the negative thought and put in a positive thought.
Okay, so my negative thought is, I am terrible at English. How do I replace it?
We need to find a thought that is true and kind. Instead of I am terrible, you can say I am learning.
I am learning. That is simple.
Yes, or you can say I am getting better every day.
I'm getting better every day. I like that. It feels warmer.
It is warmer. Let's say it together. I'm getting better every day.
I'm getting better every day.
I am getting better every day. See? It changes how you feel.
You are right. I feel a little more confident.
Confident. That is a great word. What does confident mean?
Confident means you believe in yourself. You feel sure that you can do something.
Perfect. When we think positive thoughts, we feel more confident. Let me tell you a story about a negative thought I had.
Oh, please tell us.
Last week, I made a mistake at work. I sent an email to the wrong person.
Oh no, that happens to everyone.
Yes, but my negative thought said, Emma, you are stupid. You always make mistakes.
That is not nice. You are not stupid.
I know, but the thought was in my head. I felt very bad. My stomach hurt.
So, what did you do? Did you replace the thought?
Yes, I did. I stopped and I took a deep breath. Then I said to myself, everyone makes mistakes. It is okay.
Everyone makes mistakes. It is okay. That is a very kind thought.
And I added, I will be more careful next time.
That is a good example. You validated yourself. You were kind to yourself.
Yes, being kind to yourself is very important. Imagine if your friend made a mistake, Ryan. What would you say to him?
I would say, "Don't worry, my friend. It is a small mistake. You can fix it."
Exactly, you are kind to your friend. You must be kind to yourself too.
That is true. Sometimes we are mean to ourselves. We say things to ourselves that we never say to a friend.
You are right. So, the rule is talk to yourself like you talk to a good friend.
I like that rule. Talk to yourself like a good friend.
Let's try another one. Sometimes people think I am too old to learn English.
Oh, I hear that often. I am too old. Is that a negative thought?
Yes, it is. It stops you. It makes you feel weak.
How can we replace it?
We can replace it with it is never too late to learn.
It is never too late to learn. Yes, or maybe, my brain is strong and I can learn new things.
That is beautiful, Ryan. My brain is strong. I love that.
Or maybe simple is better. Just, I can do this.
I can do this. Yes. Let's practice that. Repeat after us, everyone. I can do this.
I can do this.
I can do this. It is short, but it is powerful.
What about thoughts about the future? Sometimes I worry about the future.
Worrying about the future is very common. What is a thought you have?
I think, what if I fail? What if I cannot find a new job?
That is the what if game. It is a dangerous game. What if bad things happen?
Yes, it makes me feel nervous.
We can replace the negative what if with a positive what if.
A positive what if.
Yes, instead of what if I fail? Ask yourself, what if I succeed?
What if I succeed? That is interesting.
Or what if everything goes well?
What if everything goes well? That makes me smile. It changes the picture in my head.
Yes, negative thoughts paint a dark picture. Positive thoughts paint a bright picture.
I like bright pictures. I like sunshine.
Me too. It takes practice, Ryan. It is not easy every day.
I know, some days are hard.
On hard days, just try to find one small positive thought. Just one.
Like, I have good coffee or the sun is warm.
Exactly, that is enough. You start small.
This is very helpful, Emma. I feel better already.
I am glad. Changing your thoughts changes your life. It really does. Now let's review the words we learned today. Repeating words helps us remember them.
Yes, let's review. What was the first word?
The first word was negative. Negative thought.
Negative. Negative. It means a bad idea that makes you sad or worried.
Correct. And the opposite is positive.
Positive. Positive. It means a good idea that makes you happy or strong.
And the action word we used? Replace. Perfect.
Replace. To take the old thing away and put a new thing there. Replace the negative with the positive.
And we used the word calm.
Calm, relaxed, and peaceful. Not worried.
And one more word. Confident.
Confident. Feeling sure that you can do something. Feeling good about yourself.
You have a great memory, Ryan.
Thank you, Emma. I am trying. I am learning. See? Positive thought.
I love it. Now let's play a small game.
A game? I love games. What game?
I will say a negative sentence. You must change it to a positive sentence quickly.
Okay, I am ready. Challenge me.
Okay, the negative sentence is, English is too hard.
The positive sentence is, English is a challenge, but I can learn it step by step.
Wow, that is a great answer. Step by step. Very good.
Okay, give me another one.
The negative sentence is, I don't have time to study.
Oh, that is a hard one. Okay, the positive sentence is, I can study for 5 minutes today. 5 minutes is good.
Yes, that is perfect. 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Okay, my turn. I will give you a negative sentence, Emma.
Okay, I am ready.
The negative sentence is, nobody listens to me.
That is sad. Okay, the positive sentence is, my friends love me. Maybe they're just busy right now. I will listen to myself.
I will listen to myself. That is very wise.
Thank you. This game is fun. It trains our brain to look for the good things.
It is like exercise for the brain.
Yes, mental exercise. Viewers, you can play this game too. When you hear a bad thought in your head, say stop and change it to a good thought.
It is a very powerful habit.
Well, Ryan, we talked for a long time about our minds and our thoughts. I feel very happy now.
Me too. It is nice to share these ideas. It makes the bad thoughts go away.
It does. So let's remember what we practiced today, everyone.
Today, we learned that negative thoughts are normal, but we don't have to keep them.
We learned to replace them with positive thoughts.
Instead of I can't, we say I can try.
Instead of I am bad, we say I am learning.
And we learn to be kind to ourselves, to talk to ourselves like a good friend.
Yes, that is the most important lesson. Be your own best friend.
So, Emma, what is our question for the viewers today? This is my favorite part.
I know you like this part. Today's question is, what is one positive thought you want to think today?
That is a beautiful question. What is one positive thought for today?
Maybe it is, I am happy, or I am strong, or I love my life.
Or maybe, my English is getting better.
Yes, please write your positive thought in the comments below this video.
We read all of your comments. We really do. We love to see your positive words.
It makes us happy to see you participating. It creates a circle of happiness.
A circle of happiness. I like that.
So please take a moment. Think of one good thing and write it down.
And if you see a comment from another person, you can like it. You can support them.
Yes, let's be a supportive community. English Friends Chat is a safe place.
Before we go, we want to thank you for spending your time with us today.
Yes, thank you. It is a happy moment for us to talk to you.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up, like this video.
And if you want to join us for more English practice, please click the subscribe button and the little bell.
Then you will get a notification every time we have a new video.
Remember, learning English should be fun. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep talking.
Look for happy moments. Think positive thoughts.
Okay, everyone, that is all for today. Thank you again for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. See you next time.